Did you know that every day tens of thousands of WordPress sites are targeted by hackers, with everything from brute force attacks to malware injections? But with the right setup, you can block nearly all of these constant threats. I'm John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and in this video, we'll provide a 10-step strategy that stops around 99% of these attacks. Step 1. Set up HTTPS right away. Start with an SSL so you can implement HTTPS. This encrypts data in transit and makes it harder for attackers to intercept items like passwords or payment information. It's one of the first layers of protection. Nowadays, most good web hosts will provide a free SSL certificate. Step 2. Strong passwords equals better defense. A weak password is one of the easiest ways for hackers to gain access to your site. Always use strong, unique passwords for all accounts and update them regularly. Even better, enable two-step or multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Step 3. Use reputable security plugins. Installing a well-known and actively maintained security plugin can strengthen security with tools such as firewalls, malware scans, and brute force protections. Step 4. Keep WordPress core and extensions updated. WordPress sites are often a target for attacks because the CMS is so popular. Always stay up to date with core releases and keep your themes and plugins updated too. This will help patch known vulnerabilities and keep your site protected. Step 5. Scrutinize plugins and themes. Before you install a third-party theme or plugin, do some research to ensure it's from a reputable source and it's updated regularly. Abandoned or poorly coded add-ons can often be the weak link in your website's defense. Step 6. Backup frequently or automate. Regular backups can minimize data loss and downtime in cases of security breach or malware infection. InMotion Hosting's WordPress hosting simplifies backups because it automatically includes files and databases. That way you can restore all your site files and data when you need to. Step 7. Replace the admin username. Using the default admin login username in WordPress makes your site an easy target for brute force attacks. So always use a unique username. This will make it harder for attackers to guess your login credentials. Step 8. Turn off XML-RPC if you don't need it. WordPress includes a feature called XML-RPC that lets apps and services connect to your site remotely. It's often exploited by hackers and most sites don't need it anyway. So if you're not using the WordPress mobile app or similar tools, it's safer to block XML-RPC. You can use a simple htaccess rule or a plugin if you need to manage and control remote access. Step 9. Use external scanners. Another way to protect your site is to use a security scanning tool to find potential risks or vulnerabilities. Some examples of popular tools include Security Site Check, WPSec, and SiteLock. Some security plugins can also perform a similar scan, such as WordFence Security and Jetpack Protect. Step 10. Build a recovery plan. You know this guide wouldn't be complete without discussing what to do in worst-case scenarios. You should always have a solid recovery strategy prepared. This would allow you to minimize downtime by quickly restoring backups, reverting hacks, and recovering your site. If this was helpful, hit like or subscribe for more WordPress tips to help protect your WordPress site. InMotion Hosting, built for momentum.